If you disappeared for 30 days, no phone, no email, completely cut off, completely unreachable, completely disconnected, off the grid, will your business still be open? Or will it quietly shut down the moment you stopped showing up? Think about that. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. My name is Neo Reyes. Welcome to Nuggets Neo, Rise Up Champions! I started with that question para mag-isip ka agad tayo, Well, looking back, yung question na yun, isipin nyo, kung mawala ka for 30 days, tapos talagang disconnected ka, magtutuloy-tuloy pa ba yung business mo? Will your business still be open? Or little by little, your revenue would start shrinking hanggang sa mag-stop? Okay, I want you to picture two builders. Dalawang builder. Same skill, same hustle, same dream. Builder 1, he answers every inquiry personally. Personal siya, every client message goes through him, every order, every follow-up, every question. He is the system. Siya lang talaga. Chief Everything Officer. He works 14 hours a day and he calls it commitment. That's Builder 1. Builder 2 built something different. Build something different. He's doing things differently. When the message comes in, the system responds. When the lead arrives, yung system pa rin, the system would qualify. And then when the client's ready, the system converts. He wakes up to revenue na he did not personally produce. Two builders, same starting point, two completely different architecture. Sinong pipiliin mo doon? Builder 1 or Builder 2? The difference is not discipline. The difference is the digital twin. So here's what I learned the hard way. The moment you become the only answer to every question in your business or in your group, in the group that you're leading, you stop being the leader or the owner and you start being the bottleneck. A business built around a bottleneck, hindi siya mag-scale. It does not scale. It does not rest. It does not give you back your mornings or your weekends or your life or your presence at the dinner table with your family. It grows its demand. Kumbaga, nag-grow yung demand niya sa'yo. It devours you until the business you built to serve your freedom eventually would become the cage that you cannot escape. Nagiging trap. Nagiging cage siya. I call it the chaos stacks of F3 funnels. So we are discussing the F5 framework. I'm sharing with you the F5 framework. F1 is about faith. F2 is about fuel. F3 is about funnels. So this is F3. This is the chaos stacks of F3. It's not the money that you're losing. It's the time that you are spending every single day doing the work that should have been done by a well-built system. Nandiyan yung system mo sa yung proseso mo. Yung systems and your processes could have done the work while you were sleeping. You get that? Nagets nyo? F3 is the third pillar in our F5 freedom framework. So itong pillar na to, it changes everything because it is where your knowledge stops being locked inside your head and starts working independently to your presence, for your presence, independently of your presence. So me, I call it the digital twin. I am developing that digital twin and I'm going to introduce you to my digital twin. I call him Nexus. Neo's Executive Intelligence and Unified Strategy System. And I'm going to introduce him to you on the Break the Code Challenge, which is happening on April 27th, 8 p.m. Manila time. That will be 5 days, 5 codes that we are breaking, one sovereignty day. Your digital twin, your knowledge, your voice, your framework, nandun siya. It's automation that is available at 2 a.m. Pag meron ka mga clients, like, for example, my client, my avatar is Alex. Alex needs you the most, sitting in his desk, finally ready to start. Your digital twin is there. That's your system. He does 3 things. First, attracts the right people through content that carries your perspective, your experience, your specific truth. After attracting, it nurtures them, builds trust before asking for anything. And then eventually it converts them when they're ready. Kino-convert niya yung client mo when they're ready with confidence without you having to be in the room. Attention, nurture, conversion, running without you because you built it once with intention. You're not starting from scratch. You're starting from whatever experience that you have. Me, I'm starting from 25 years of experience that I've been building systems in different companies, and I'm doing it right now. Dito. You have to package it, automate it, and then let it run. Right? So we will dive deeper dito sa F3 na to on Break the Code Challenge, like I said, on April 27 to May 1, 8 p.m. Every night, 8 p.m. tayo dyan. 5 codes, 5 nights at Freddy's. 5 nights, 5 codes, and on day 3, we are going to build your digital twin live, yung blueprint. Free to join, just click the link below. It's a challenge.codebreakers.pro. Nandito sa link dito sa post na to. You know, you were not meant to be a bottleneck. You were built to be an architect. And architects do not hold every brick. You design systems so the building rises without you. That is F3 Funnels, the system. That is your digital twin. You have to build it once, and then you just had to let it run. Nagets nyo? Excited na ako. I'm going to show you my Nexus on Break the Code Challenge, April 27. So if you like, thank you very much for watching this. If this message resonated with you, I invite you to share this with your friends, share this with your circle. So who knows, someone somewhere out there wanted to hear inspiration, like there were stories like this, and they get inspired to reach their dreams. And like I said, let's spread positivity in the world. I guess, that's it for now. My name is Neo Rayos. Rise up, champ. God bless you all. See you April 27. Break the Code Challenge, 8 p.m. Register now. Bye-bye. God bless.